Hello and welcome to the 67th episode. I'm your host Jimster Gaming and I'm playing OTTD on a huge Europe map. So in this episode we'll start out with some ship stuff. So after last episode, as I mentioned, I put on some extra ships. So first of all we put on a ship that is going from Newcastle, where it picks up farm supplies, and bring it over to Drammen, which is up here. We also put on another line that is doing farm supplies from Ipswich to somewhere else, Malmö maybe? Yeah. And finally also have one that is going all the way to Karlskrona, which is also picking up at Ipswich. That's also farm supplies. Because we prepared on both these places to get the farm supplies to the actual farms from the harbor. That has not been done yet in Drammen. Then I put on another one off camera to start this off, and that's also from Ipswich. But this one is carrying engineering supplies. No, it's also carrying farm supplies, sorry. Also farm supplies. Which I don't think was the plan. No, it was not the plan. So we need to redo that then. Let me see. Fortunately they didn't leave, so I can stop them. These are doing engineering supplies. Engineering supplies. And they should have two sister ships as well. No, one sister ship, sorry. We can stop and change to engineering supplies. That was good that we spotted that before they start moving. That one is also coming in here and will also supply places in Norway and Sweden with engineering supplies. So the first pieces were fixed, but what we need to do now is to arrange the farm supplies. So electric, not that it matters for a waypoint, but still. The Ramen farm supplies. And this one is going to Hamar, which is here, because there are two places, not that one, but I guess this one, yes, and a forest, yes, okay, great. So my idea was to bring them that way, but I believe that the forest is most likely going in a different direction. And that turned out to be a correct assumption. Oh, I need to put on a signal here. That's forgotten. So the idea was to bring this one in here and continue that way, but that's not doable. Because both this and this, both those forests are actually going to Spain. So I don't really want to bring them out this way, do I? I could actually bring them out to Molde. And take them from there to Spain. That's one option. The other option is to bring them down here and bring them to Spain. Because the distance there isn't much more, I guess, than the distance here. Well, a little bit. Problem with bringing them here is that they're going to clog up this junction, which is probably going to get clogged up anyway. not too keen on that, and this solution wasn't the best. The only way to fix that is actually to move the river, which I'm not going to play with. Yes, so let's, okay, sorry, we actually have one going out here, that's right. Okay, then we can use that one. So we have already planned to have a line going out here. I'm going to end up in issues there with the rules, but we can fix that easily. Put on a passing loop. Start with, just to avoid having those issues anyway. Bring that one down there. And because this one will, in that case, connect here, I guess. In real life, there is definitely not a railway there, passing over these mountains, but I believe there actually was plans to build one. Not to Mora, maybe, but further south. Anyway, so let's... This is going to be a really weird solution. I could actually bring it this way over the river, but then I can't get up. Well, then I need to build this one, which doesn't make any sense either, so I can just as well do this. So let's put in one here. To bring these ones in. I mean, if it was only this one, I could and maybe only milk, then I wouldn't have an issue making a turnaround in here. But when you have both farm supplies and also a forest, it's not a very high producing one though. Okay. I didn't put these on either. I'm still not sure what to do with that actually. This one has to be taken from this side, so that's not an issue. No need to discuss that one. And let's put the station on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Good. First one done. Let's put the signal. I had put signal there, but not there. Yes. So that's fixed. Because I'm going to have this issue as well. I wonder if I'm going to redo this. I will actually do that, I think. I'll remove this connection altogether because it's just going to cause issues, I think. That means we can make this one shorter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And fill in that gap. And put some stuff on here. Come on. Oh, okay, sorry. I was just thinking it didn't really fit there very well. That was because we need to do that. Which is definitely not the best solution, but whatever. That was a little bit funny. So let's put one in there. No, I will actually not put it there. I will put it down there. Because the little speed that they manage to get from this red light until the hill starts will get them up easily, but if they stop, so they have most of the trains behind the hill, it's going to take forever to get started. So let's move this one out. I can did that because I'm just filling in. Oh, it's actually just about going to fit in here, actually. Which is great news. Done, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It doesn't fit there anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let's do that. And then put the station for this one just immediately here on the other side. That. Great. Need to shave a little bit more than I wanted on that, but whatever. Bring it down there and add a little bit. No. Add a little bit to that one to build a tunnel. Great stuff, and I believe that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, perfect. Done, and let's put one there as well then. Preferably in the right direction. Then we have those two left. Yes, so we'll have to put in another bridge. A lot of bridging. So I do have farm supplies for this one. And I have some farm supplies for that one, which we will get through there, I guess. This hill had an obscene look, though. So let's just do that, and we are done with the building. Put on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3. Just put one there. Put one there. Put 2 at the front. Let's do that. Just to break it up a little bit this time. Raw materials, I believe it is milk, is there. And we have pigs or something. Cattle yard. Great. So that one fixed. Perfect. Yes, so let me see that they can get over here. Yes, they can. Great. So let's put on those farm supply ones. That was 3, I believe. So 2 Hammer and 1 Lillehammer. Where is the last Lillehammer one? It's one there. East. Is this also Lillehammer? That's also Lillehammer. That one is going to be a nightmare to connect. Or not. It will actually go up there. Yeah, whatever. We'll get to that later. So first of all, let's put on some trains. So that one, and farm supplies, 2 of those and 1 of those. I'm starting to get worried about this again, because I don't remember what I did. I put these on, that's right, because they do 360. Okay, great. And just clone these then. 3 lines, I believe it is. 4 lines is it that we have currently. So again, let's get started. Do that, full load. And bring them up here and back. Good. Then we do 40. Okay, and yeah, let's do 46. So 46 needs to do the same as 45, but not go there. Delete, and instead continue over there. Perfect. 47 needs to do the same as 45, but it needs to continue this way. Good. And then we have 48 that needs to do the same as 45. Delete that and instead go through that waypoint. Oh, we didn't build the station here. How convenient. So let's build the station. Let's just do fixtures this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to 8. Oh no, it got its own one. Remove the structure. Do that and call it woods. That. Great. So this one will then go there and on the way back past this waypoint. Good stuff. So done. So these should be all fine, but the 45 is quite short. Yeah, all quite short actually. The 45, because these are not okay. So I'm going to put all of them to wait for 30 days, I think. Put the timetabling on, and the telephone done, and done, and the final one, which is a little bit longer, so let's do that 120 then, just for the sake of it. Change time to 20. Fixed. Done. And that means we can release all 4 immediately. Good. Then we have the last one, which is over here, which is going to be a little bit more tricky to get anywhere with. I wonder, because there's nothing else in this direction anyway. Yeah. So let's get cracking this valley then. That was actually not what I had intended. I think that's the right one to do. And follow this one. Need to do that, I guess, right? Yes. Oh, I could get over there. Okay, great. Even better. That, and then have a small uphill piece there. I can't get over there, right? No. I might, though, be able to fix a small tunnel here, right? Doesn't make any difference. Doesn't make any sense to build a tunnel if it's only one tile long. Yes, so let's continue. It's on that side. Okay, great. And fill this one in. This type of building is the absolute slowest when you have mountain sides and stuff in the way. So you have to build every single tile, or maybe two at the same time, maximum, because you don't have room for more. Yes. Here it's just not possible, so you need to do that. And I would like to shave this edge off, actually. So then I continue straight on here. Fill that piece in. Great. And there will be something there as well. Because I can from here bring this one up. Because this one is also going to Spain, even though it had been almost closer for it to go there. That's whatever. It's better to just bring all of them to the same place. So there's only one line to worry about later on. This was 9, right? It was 10 even. Yeah, good. Done. Do that, put on a station. Fixed. And those. Great. It's a very, very long single line here, and we have these. So I would actually like to see if I can sort that, because otherwise the other one is going to block this junction already when it leaves. That just isn't great, is it? I hope this was long enough. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It wasn't long enough. So let's do that then. Need to remove one more piece of hill there and remove this in the middle. Come on. There we go. And done. Brilliant. We need to double track more on this line at a later stage, but not now. So that means we can put in the last one of these. So I don't think it's much further than the other one, so I'm just going to duplicate that one. But remove these in the middle, delete. And bring it over here instead. Because I don't know if the timetabling follows, does it? I don't think it did it? No, it didn't. Okay. So add 20 days. Should do the trick. Done. So all 5 fixed. And then we have one more going to Molde, which is far away somewhere. Oh, it's this one. Okay. That's one. I don't think that one will be possible to do in 3 months, but whatever. So let's clone that one again then, and remove the Hammer Woods. And bring it up here. I got lost there. That's the one. And bring it down there. Either one is fine, and just transfer. And then get back the same way. And we have that one already. Great. This one don't need to be in any depot for a while anyway. As I said, this one will be not enough. It's my guess, but whatever. So done. Good. Perfect. Then we have the engineering supplies coming in here as well. And those are going to... Oh, sorry. Forgot one important thing. We need to connect this one as well, of course. So let's put in a depot. And because we get exactly 56 and there's no way to get 56 if I remember correct, farm supplies, I will just do what I did last time, put one of these on because it do 15 and that should be fine. Farm supplies, and then just not full load it, just bring it back and forth. Doesn't matter because there is no road vehicles in this game anyway, so that shouldn't be an issue, or traffic rather. All the road vehicles in this game is your own, so you can always fix that somehow. So that's done. Over to engineering supplies. So do the same thing again. And the first one is going over here, which means we need to put on a depot. And again, now it's 84, and I don't have any truck, if I remember correct, that can do 84. So we do engineering supplies. But the 15 isn't enough. Can do 16, that doesn't help much, does it? Don't think there's anyone doing more except these, which is really not nice, but what can you do? This one do 30. I refit. And same here, it will just go back and forth. So it will fetch whenever there is something available. And let's put on some trains. And it's this solution, right? We see engineering supplies 84, yes, good. So this first one is just going in here, make a full load, continue up this way to Hamar waypoint, and it will get in. Funny thing is that it doesn't actually need to go there, it could actually stop here. Does it make sense? Probably not. I don't have a waypoint there, do I? No. So let's just bring it in here and transfer. And then continue here. And depot. Great. Perfect. So that was the first one. Then we have, and this one is also going to have to wait 20 days, I would guess. There we do it. Drammen, change time. 20 days it is. You can let it move, that's fine. Yes. Next one is Karlstad, which is, I believe, this one, right? Yes. This one isn't used for the moment, but it will be used. So I'll just bring one over. Doesn't matter where actually. But to do that, I need to build this piece of track. Yes, so let's just do that. Build the bridge. Because we can. And let me see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's just do that then. And this one needs to it can actually go over there, by the way. The only thing is that these now don't sync, but that's fine. Will there be an issue with this one? No, I don't think so. The number of engineering supply trains isn't that great on this line. So let's clone that one and just remove the middle pieces. Delete and then go. Would like to put on a waypoint here. Just in case. I don't think it's needed for this one, but it might be needed for something else, so then I can just do it now. Bring this one up there, and bring it back through the waypoint, and there we have. Good. This one is not longer, I think. So let's put this one on 20 days as well then. Oh, it did do 20 days. Why did it work this time and not last time? Yeah, whatever. Fixed? Or did I not actually do it on this one? I think I did. Yes, I did. Okay. Good. Yes. Next one out is the one in Gävle, which is going to be a little bit more tricky though, because I think it's this one, right? Yes. I'm not. This one is going to coast, so I think actually this one is going to end up in Drammen as well, which means that the best place to connect it is here actually. Yes, so let's do that. Let's put on a connection here. That way, and just put the station here then. Oh, wrong direction. It was good that I did it here. It didn't matter. It's really bad when you do it in a city that just made you that you just made angry by building the station, and it's not so fun. Let's do that and bring this one out. Good, good. Yes, and that means even more traffic through this one. This is going to be a bottleneck. I know it will be. Yes, so let's get this cracking. Clone this one, and in this case we need to make sure that it doesn't stay there. Clear time on that one. Great, and let's remove some orders. Delete. So it needs to get through there. It needs to continue in. Oh, it has a waypoint there. Just use that one and this one, and then bring it down there. Oh, there's a waypoint more there actually. Go to that waypoint, and on the way back go to that waypoint. That didn't work very well, did it? Can't modify. Okay, delete. Try again. 6 and 8 makes more sense. And then this one, and that one, and this one we already have. Great. It's probably maybe not going to be enough time for it, but whatever. And then we are going to clone this one. And this one is going on a piece of a journey though. But it doesn't necessarily need to go through the bad junction, because it can go here. Because it's going there anyway, so it doesn't really matter which way it takes. It could actually take the Norwegian route. I think it will actually. So let's just delete all of those and get it moving this way. Hamar. Where's the next one there? Next one there. And then get through this bad piece here, which is mainly bad because of the single track actually. If it hadn't been for that, it wouldn't be that bad. And then down here, it doesn't have a waypoint, does it? No, it doesn't. Okay, let's put on a waypoint. Done, and then we need to put in a station here. So let's raise LAN. I didn't actually need to do that, but whatever. But I don't know which side. Okay, it's going to be on that side. Remove that one. Put these on. And put one there. Remove it. Put one. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And print in. Good. Yes. Go there. And then we just have the same long route back as usual. So it wasn't much building in this episode, but there was a lot of waypoint. Waypoint planning, which is also needed sometimes. Let's see, that's not the right one. This is the right one, yes. This one a little bit confusing, or yeah. I did build it myself, but I'm still confused over it. And there is no more waypoints. Good. And we have the train depot, and we changed the timetabling, right? Yes, no timetabling. Good. This one will get 2 on the line. So I'm going to clone this one by holding Control, which means it actually takes exactly the same orders over. This one will be sent on the line, just to spread them out. So let's go. The problem is that this one will probably get back before the next one, before the first ship even arrives, but whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was not great, was it? It was the absolute worst place to put a signal. There we go. And on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This probably means that we need to double track more things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. Done. Yes, so that means we have connected the farm supplies and the engineering supplies where they are supposed to be going. There are some other supplies to put in, and those are manufacturing supplies, because I sent some manufacturing supplies from Sollefteå I think there might be more that needs to go from there, but I have 5 places that want supplies from here. It's slowly loading up with sand, so that's great. Sand is coming, because yes, so there are 5 of those in the area. So I need to fix those, and that might be the next episode, or we get cracking on the mines and forests we just connected. We'll see what happens in the next episode, but that will be tomorrow. So until then, have fun and see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.